Hey, aloha everybody. Just got out of court and I, among the 10 others that were tried today, were found guilty on the counts of a Class B misdemeanor, disorderly conduct. My sentencing is 360 days of unsupervised probation, $1,250 in fines. If I do not commit any crimes in any states across the nation, on any tribal lands, as such, within the 360 days, the misdemeanor will be wiped away from my record, therefore not showing that I have a criminal record. It's freezing here in North Dakota. We faced a jury trial of 7, of which we understand that the jury is biased based on the fact that they are local residents of Morton County. Therefore, they have been directly affected by the protest. So to dispel any facts of them not being biased would be ignorant of us. So we are understanding of that for the whole time. I'm so cold right now. As you can see, we're in good spirits. This is Tonkata. She's amazing. We're in good spirits because we knew what was coming. I would have been very surprised if I was found not guilty based purely on the fact of our biased jury. This was a 2-day trial, among other days of moving trials and hearings, and it was a long process. Again, I was arrested on August 11th, 2016. This is almost 6 months later where I have come to sentencing. Water protectors. If you're being arrested, do not say anything while you are in cuffs. It will be used against you. It was used against us. That is not a joke. They will remember, and they will use it against you. They will bring in officers to testify, and those officers will specifically remember what you have said. Do not say anything when you're being arrested. Make sure that your actions are in peaceful conduct throughout the day. If you plan on getting arrested, try not to be seen throughout the day until your arrest. It will be used against you. If you are seen and if you are recognized by the cops throughout the day, it was used against us. Know your rights. When you do go to trial, if you do go to trial, do not say more than what is being asked. Simple yes and no will suffice. If you say more, you can possibly incriminate yourself and others that could be with you. Be smart, guys. This is not a joke. This is on your record. And yes, it is a very powerful statement to be arrested, but be mindful of what that entails. We were fortunate enough to have been arrested in the very beginning of the protest. Therefore, our charges were very mild compared to what is being charged now. Be mindful of that, you know. If you are ready to take on the court system, the North Dakota court system, in a jury who will be biased based on the facts that I stated earlier, be mindful of that. I have no past criminal history. I quit my job to come and stand for water. I do not have a job right now. I still have to pay $1,250 in fines. If you do not think that you are able to pay such fines, again, these are very mild charges compared to what is being charged now against protectors. Rethink your decision in being arrested. Other than that, I fully support all you protectors. I fully stand in solidarity with everyone who is opposed to the Dakota Access Pipeline, and we continue to stand for the protection of our future generation and the generation who will be inadvertently living in the future that we give them. I do not want to leave these beautiful children or my future children with water that is polluted by oil. I do not want to leave my children knowing that I didn't do anything or everything possible in my human form to try and stop any of the dishonoring and the disrespect that happens to Mother Nature, natives, or humanity in general. We do these actions because we're aware of the repercussions that would happen if said pipeline were to go through. We do these actions because we're aware of the repercussions that will happen if we do not stand up. I'm freaking so cold.
So bad.
I'm shaking, and that is why the camera is shaking. Thank you guys all for staying in support so wholeheartedly, staying updated, and showing such solidarity near or far. It's really us as a collective, whether or not we were illegally overthrown, whether or not we were stolen, we had land stolen from us. It is us collectively as Americans to withhold our government to the promises that they promise.